TPE injection molding has the characteristics of fast production speed, high efficiency, and high degree of automation, which is suitable for the production of various complex TPE products. The main principle of this injection molding process is to heat the TPE material to a molten state, then inject it into a mold, and then cool and solidify it to form the desired product. TPE injection molding is widely used in the production of wire and cable sheaths, seals, pipe joints, and other products. The TPE injection molding process can be used to obtain products with greater elasticity, weather resistance, and chemical resistance, which can be applied to a wide range of products. TPE injection molding has a fast production speed, a high degree of automation, and the production of products with accurate dimensions, which can meet the diverse market needs. TPE injection molding applications, automotive industry, medical equipment, home appliances and electronics, etc. Save processing energy consumption and equipment resources, shorten the processing cycle, reduce production costs, and improve work efficiency. TPE injection molding has a fast production speed, a high degree of automation, and the production of products with accurate dimensions, which can meet the diverse market needs. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.